We'll guide you through how to use ink transition in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the application and creating a new project to begin editing. Once the project is ready, go to the Edit tab, where you will prepare your timeline and arrange your media. Import 2 video clips into the media pool so they are available for editing. Drag the first video clip onto the timeline. Then add the second video clip to the timeline as well. After both clips are placed, adjust their positions carefully to create a smooth transition point between them. Proper alignment is important because it helps the transition blend naturally from one clip to the next. Next, import the ink drop footage that will be used as the transition effect. Review the footage and select the specific portion you want to use for the transition. Once you have chosen the desired section, drag the footage onto the timeline and position it between the 2 video clips. Make sure the ink footage is placed accurately so that the effect appears at the exact moment where the transition should occur. After arranging the clips and transition footage, open the Fusion page to remove the background from the ink effect. In Fusion, add a 3D keyer node to the composition. The 3D keyer allows you to isolate the ink effect and separate it from its background. Use the color picker tool to select the background color of the ink footage. Once the background color has been selected, adjust the keying settings to remove it from the image. If any unwanted color remains visible around the edges of the effect, increase the decibel value. This setting helps eliminate leftover background color and produces a cleaner, more professional result. Continue refining the settings until the ink transition appears smooth and free from color contamination. When you're satisfied with the keying results, return to the edit page. If needed, add a subtle transition between the clips to enhance the overall flow and make the effect feel more natural. Preview the video from beginning to end. Once everything looks the way you want, export the final project using your preferred